God. Is a miracle working God.
Okay, what we are going to do is that when you're singing, you come closer to the camera because you are far off, we are not seeing you. And be audible, sing very well. Come here like this. Sing very well. He is our contestant and he's the one singing now. So start. That you are singing? Hey, Glenn, stop it. Okay, go ahead. Brush is you.
Miracle working God. Omega. Is a miracle working God.
Sing. Go ahead. Sing more.
Is a miracle working God.
Hey.
Omega. Is a miracle working God.
Please, guys, I hope you guys are following. Let's know where you're watching from. Thank you for joining.